In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file in The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. Check my video description for the save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open the save file depends on your preference. Going with this first one. Go to Documents and scroll down and open The Witcher 3 Game Saves. Before dropping this save file, back up your game progress. Right click on the desktop and select New and select folder. Drag and drop your game progress inside this new folder. Drag and drop the 100% save inside this location. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load game and select the 100% profile, and the 100% save successfully loads up. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.